Have you ever taken a deep breath and pushed yourself to do something really difficult, even though you felt nervous or unsure? There's a beautiful word to describe that kind of determined courage. Word of the week. Word of the week. Level up the way you write and speak. Welcome back, word explorers. This week's word is valiant. Let's spell it together. V-A-L-I-A-N-T. Valiant is a gorgeous, poetic adjective that means brave, bold, or courageous, but it also adds something a little extra. Being valiant is not just about being brave in a single moment. It means showing courage with effort, strength, and determination, especially when something is difficult or frightening. A valiant person does not give up easily. They try, they push, they keep going, even when things feel tough. Here are some examples of how to use valiant in a sentence. The fireman made a valiant attempt to rescue the kitten from the tree during a storm. Lily gave a valiant speech about climate change, even though her hands were shaking. The team put up a valiant fight during the match, refusing to give up even when the score looked impossible. Sam showed a valiant spirit when he apologized and tried to put things right, even though it was difficult. Timothy, the tiny mouse knight, who was no bigger than a teacup, made a valiant stand against a giant owl to protect his friends. Where does it come from? The word valiant comes from the Latin word valere, which means to be strong or to be worthy. It traveled through Old French as vaillant, meaning brave, strong, or fine-hearted, before weaving its way into the English language in the 14th century. For hundreds of years, the word valiant has appeared in stories, poems, and legends. Knights, heroes, explorers, and adventurers were often described as valiant, not just because they were bold, but because they showed honor, effort, and steadfast bravery, even when the odds were stacked against them. So while brave is a good word, valiant feels more heroic. It's bravery with purpose. Ready for more lexical adventures? Hit like and subscribe so you're ready to join me on next week's vocabulary voyage. Why being valiant matters. Being valiant is not about being fearless. Everyone feels scared sometimes, even the bravest people in history. Being valiant is about trying your best, showing courage even when it's difficult, not giving up straight away, standing up for what's right, helping others when they need it, being strong in character, not just in actions. You don't need a sword, a shield, or shining armor to be valiant. You just need a brave heart and a determined mind. Let's use it. Now it's your turn, word explorers. Try finishing these sentences with your own heroic ideas. John made a valiant effort to finish the race, even though he was blank, for example. John made a valiant effort to finish the race, even though he was exhausted. It was valiant of Karen to apologize after she broke the blank, for example. It was valiant of Karen to apologize after she broke the class rules. I felt valiant when I blanked in front of the whole school, for example. I felt valiant when I sang the solo in front of the whole school. For an extra challenge, write a short story about a valiant character who does something courageous, big or small. So remember, word explorers, being valiant doesn't mean you are never scared. It means you're brave even when you do feel scared, and you keep going because you know it's the right thing to do. Teachers, check out the free writing activities linked below. I can't wait to see your valiant ideas. See you next week, creatives. Word of the week. Word of the week. Level up the way you write and speak.